To get started, all you just need to do right now is to visit this particular website known as Leonardo AI. Once you visit this particular website, it will take you to this particular interface right here. Once you take you to this particular Leonardo AI interface right here, all you just need to do right now is to go on right now and create account on this particular website. This particular website is what we are going to be using to create our kid animated story, and I'm going to be sharing with you step-by-step process on how you actually create this particular kid animated story using this particular website. Apart from that, I will also be sharing with you how you'll be able to make money by creating this kid animated story legitimately online without any single stress. But before we continue, I would like to show you the type of video I'm going to show you how to create and be able to make money with it right now.
There was once a boy named David. David lived with his parents in a small town in Nigeria. David was a smart boy, but he had one big problem. He did not respect his parents. When his mother asked him to sweep the compound, he frowned. He said,
The video I just shared with you right now, I actually created it using this particular method which I'm about to share with you right now. All you just need to do right now is to go to chatgpt.com, or you can make use of their application, which is this particular ChatGPT application. You can download it on Play Store. After installing your application, enter this particular prompt right here, this particular prompt, and I will be dropping all the prompt which I will be using in this particular video in the description of this video so that you can easily copy it from the description of the video. Okay, this is the description. Give me 10 original children's stories, title idea, written in simple English. Each title should sound like a short lesson or moral question. You can see it right there. It is actually long, right? Okay, I want to go on right now and submit this particular prompt right now. Once I submit this particular prompt will actually help me to generate title ideas for my kid animated story. I will advise to watch the video to the end. But before we continue, the first thing I wanted to do right now for me is to help me to like this video and also subscribe to this channel so that you will actually I'll be glad to share more updates like this with you again. Okay, all I just need to do right now is to go on right now and select one topic which I actually prefer on this particular title ideas right there. You can see the first one is what happened to the boy who never say thank you. You can see it right there. And the second one is the day the sun refuses to shine on lazy Sam. Okay, let me go on with the first one. I just want to go on right now and copy the first one, which is what happened to the boy who never say thank you. Okay, once I copy the first one right now, the first one is actually our title right now. We are going to be going to the step 2. After selecting our title idea from this particular list, the next thing we need to do right now is to enter the second prompt right here. Once I enter the second prompt, okay, let me enter the second prompt, and this is the second prompt. Write a story on the topic. You can see the topic right here. What happened to the boy who never said thank you, which I actually copied from the title idea which ChatGPT actually gave to me. And it continues to read, keep in mind the story is for kids, so write it in a way that it teaches them a lesson. The setting of the story should be Nigeria. Okay, let me click on okay, let me submit the prompt. Once I submit the prompt, ChatGPT will actually carefully write the stories for me right now. You can see it right there that ChatGPT has written the story for me. All I just need to do right now is to go on right now and copy this particular story right now and turn it to audio. And I'm going to be sharing with you the best way to actually turn it to audio. Okay, just go on right now and copy the story. Go on right now and copy the story. Let me copy the story gently. Okay, copy the story. Let me copy it. Okay, once you copy the story, the next thing we need to do right now is to search for Google AI Studio on Google Search. Once you search for it, scroll down right here and click on and select this particular one, which is Google AI Studio. Once you click on it, it will take you to this particular interface right here where you join to sign up. Immediately after signing up, it will take you to this particular page right there. You can see this particular page right there. Click on generate. Okay, click on this particular section first. You can see if you are making use of your phone, click on that particular section, click on generate media. Once you click on generate media, it will take you to this particular page section right here. Click on Gemini speech generation. Once you click on Gemini speech generation, it will take you to this particular page section right here. Click on this next place right here, this particular section right here. Once you click on this particular page, it will take you to this particular section right there where you just need to click on single speaker audio. Once you select single speaker audio, scroll down right now to this particular voice section right here. That is a particular voice model which I actually prefer, which actually sounds just exactly like kids right there. Okay, scroll down right now to this particular to down section right there and count from downside 1 2 3 4. This particular one, select it. Once you select this particular one, select it, go back right now. Once you come back to this particular section right there, paste your text right here in this particular box. Once you paste your text in this particular box, scroll down right here to this particular section and click on run. Click on run. You can see after clicking on run and our audio has actually finished generating right there. You can see it right there. You can see this is actually our audio right now. Let's play it. Let's see how it sounds.
Enugu, there lived a boy named Chidi. Chidi was clever.
You can see it right there that it actually sounds like kid animated story. You can see it right there. Just go on right now. Click on this particular section right now to actually download your audio. Once you download your audio, you can see it right there. I have actually downloaded my audio right now, and we just need to go to the next step. On right now and follow the next step to actually generate the remaining audio for the next story. After generating all the stories, the next thing you need to do right now is to go on right now and enter this next prompt right here. Once you enter this next prompt, and let me read the next prompt, I will be providing you with scenes from this story. Give me an image prompt to help me generate one image per scene. You can see it right there. What we are actually doing right now is to actually generate an image which we can use to tell our stories right here. Okay, before that, I want you to identify the number of characters, people in the story, and give me individual identity like age, dress, style, okay, dress style, hairstyle, okay, hair color, okay, hairstyle, skin color, nationality, which is Nigerian. You can see it right there. Instead of what we actually want ChatGPT to actually do for us right there is, instead of ChatGPT to actually say a boy or Chidi is running, ChatGPT will actually describe the person that is running with their skin color, their let me say, okay, with their hairstyle, something like that, something that will actually describe the particular person that is actually running. Okay, let's go on right now and enter this particular prompt right now. After entering this particular prompt, we just need to wait for ChatGPT to actually do the work right now. You can see this is, okay, main character in the story. These are the main character in the story. You can see the age of the person, which is aged 80 years. You can see the skin color, which is, you can see the face, you can see the hair color, you can see the clothes, you can see it right there. ChatGPT will actually describe everything for us so that we can use it to identify in each individual identity right here. You just need to scroll down right here to this particular section. Okay, just type yes right now. Once you type yes right now, ChatGPT will actually generate the image for us after describing the individual right here. Okay, it will actually generate prompt for us to use, which we can use to get image for each of these individuals right now. Just wait calmly. Okay, you can see this is the first prompt. This is the prompt to generate the image of this particular first person right there. This particular first person which ChatGPT actually described for us, which is this Chidi. You can see it right there. And the next person, which is Mama Chidi, you can see it right there. Scroll down right there to this particular section right here. Once you scroll down, you can see the image prompt. You can actually use this particular prompt to actually generate image for this particular person right here. And you can use this particular prompt to actually generate image for this particular woman right here. Okay, let's go on right now. Copy the first prompt right now. Copy the first prompt. Copy the first prompt right now and move over to Leonardo AI. Just search for Leonardo AI on your phone right here or on your PC. Once search for Leonardo AI, click on this image. Go on right now and click on image. Once you click on image section right here, okay, just allow it to load. Okay, after loading, the next thing you need to do right now is to enter the prompt which you actually copied from ChatGPT right here. Enter it in this particular section right here. Okay, once you enter your prompt right here in this particular section right here, and you need to understand that they usually give point if you are actually in the free version of this Leonardo AI. They will give you up to 150 points if you just register, okay, per day on this particular section. And for each image that you generate, it will actually cost you 11 points out of the point which they give you for free. And if you want to generate more image, which means you will need to actually go on and upgrade your package right there on this particular section. After that, click on generate. Okay, click on generate. But before you actually click on generate, click on this settings section right here. Let me click on this settings section right here in case if you want to if you are uploading your video on YouTube, if it is short video or a long video that you are uploading on YouTube, click on this 16:9. But if it is on the one that you are uploading on Instagram, you can go on right now and click on this particular one, or select on any other aspect ratio of your choice. Okay, let's go back right now to the image. Click on generate right now. Once you click on generate, watch as this Leonardo AI will actually generate our image for us right now. You just need to wait, and in less than 3 minutes this image will be ready for us to actually go on and download it. Wow, our image is actually ready right now. We just need to go scroll down right there. You can see these are the images. So you can see it right. It's actually generated 4 images for that particular prompt for us. We just need to go on right now and click on this particular section right now for us to actually download our images from this particular platform. And we just need to repeat the process for the next prompt. Copy the next prompt right here. You can see this is the next prompt right here. Copy it, go back to Leonardo AI right here. Once you come back to Leonardo AI right here, come back to this particular generate text section right here. Delete the old one. Let's go on right now and delete the old prompt. Delete the old prompt and paste the new one right here. Okay, let's go on right now. Paste the new one right here. Click on generate. Once you click on generate right here, you just need to allow it to load. You can see it is actually loading right now, and the prompt, okay, you can see it right there, it is actually generating. We just need to allow it to finish generating so that we can actually go on right now and download our image right now. So after like 2 minutes, our images are finally ready right now. We just need to go on right now and actually download our image from this particular platform right now. You can see it's also generated up to 4 images for us. We just need to repeat the process for all the prompts right there. You can see for all the prompts right there. After generating the image for all the prompts right now, we just need to go on right now to the next process. Let me go on right now and generate all the images for us before we go to the next step. The next thing we need to do right now is to go on right now, copy this first prompt again. After copying this first prompt again, go to this particular website known as vahair.com. You can see it right there. After visiting this particular website, you just need to allow it to load. You can see that it's actually loading right now. After loading, click on this particular section right here. Click on this particular section. Once you click on this particular section, scroll down right here and click on this image to video. Right now, we are turning our images which we have generated from Leonardo AI to video right now, to animation video right now. Click on this image to video right now. Once you click on this image to video right now, cancel this particular section right now. Scroll down right now to this particular section right now. Okay, scroll down to this particular section right now and click on this generate video from image. Once you click on this generate video from image right now we are going to be using those images. Okay, click on this upload your image. Once you click on this upload your image, go on right now and select the image right now from the first one. Let's go right now to the first one. Okay, this is the first one. Click on generate right now. Okay, once you click on it, click on this particular section right now, input the text right here which you actually copy, the prompt right here. Okay, if you want the camera angle to move into one certain direction, you can put the camera angle right there in this particular section right there. Scroll down right now to this particular section right now. Let's go right now and click on this generate. Once you click on this generate section right here, you just need to wait for the image to actually be converted to video right now. You can see it right there. File upload successful, checking status. You can see it right there. It is actually generated right now, and in less than 2 minutes, the image will be generated for us successfully for us to be able to download it. Our image is successfully ready right now. You can see it right there. It has been turned into a video right now. You can see it right now. This particular image has turned to video, and we just need to click on this particular section right now for us to be able to actually download our image right now. You can see it right there. Let's go on right now and download the image right now. We have successfully downloaded our image right now. We just need to click on this particular section right now to actually remove this. Okay, go back right now and copy the next prompt right now. Copy the next prompt. This is the next prompt right now. Copy it. Once you copy the next prompt right now, go back to the Vahair AI. Okay, click on upload image to actually upload the second image right here. Okay, let's go on right now and upload the second image right here. This is the second image. Okay, this is the second image right here. Scroll down right now and input the prompt right here. Once you input the prompt right here, if you want your camera angle to move into certain direction, you can actually control your camera angle from this particular section by inputting the prompt also. Scroll down right now and click on this generate section right here. Once you click on this generate section right here, you're going to wait calmly for the image to actually turn to video so that you actually go on right now and download it. our image has successfully turned into a video right now, we just need to click on this particular section right now for us to actually download our image, right, our video right now. You can see it right there, and we just need to follow the process to repeat the process for all the image, all the remaining image right now. And after that, go on right now to the next section. Okay, go on to the next section right now, click on CapCut. We are going to be using CapCut right now to actually compile all the images right now and turn it into a video right now. New project right now, you just need to go on right now and select the videos which you have generated right now. Okay, these are the videos right now. Let me select the videos. Go on right now and select the videos one after another. Okay, these are the videos. After selecting the videos, okay, just need to add the videos right now. Okay, I have selected the videos. The next thing we need to do right now is to scroll down right now to this particular section right now. Choose aspect ratio. Once you click on aspect ratio, choose 16:9 if you are uploading it on YouTube. But if you are uploading it as YouTube short, click on this 9:16. But if you are uploading it on Instagram, click on this 1:1 right here. Okay, I want to go on right now. The next thing we need to do right now is to go on right now and add our audio. Click on add audio. Click on sound right now to actually add our audio right now. Okay, let me search for my audio. This is what I used to save my audio. After adding my audio, this is our audio right now. Okay, let's play it. Let's play our audio.
In the small town of Enugu,
You can see it right there. This is actually our audio right now. We just need to go on right now and arrange it. Let me play it again.
in the small town of Enugu, there lived a boy named Chidi. Chidi was clever, playful, and loved to eat. Everyone liked him at first, but there was one big problem. Chidi never said thank
You can see that is the first one. The next thing we need to do right now is to go on right now and start. Okay, and start editing it one after another. Okay, you just need to check where they are talking about Chidi. If they are talking about Chidi, that is where the image of Chidi will appear. If they started talking about Chidi's mother, that is where Chidi's mother's image video will actually appear also. And after that, go on right now. The next thing we need to do right now is click on text. Click on, okay, let's use this particular one. Just allow it to load. Just click on generate right now. The next thing we need to do right now after generating the auto caption, which is this particular text that is right showing on over this video right here, is the next thing we need to do right now is to go on right now and edit. You can see I have actually finished editing this particular video right now. You can see it right there. Let's actually play the video. Let's see how it looks right.
In the small town of Enugu, there lived a boy named Chidi. Chidi was clever, playful, and loved to eat. Everyone liked him at first, but there was one big problem. Chidi never said thank you. When his mother gave him food, he would just grab it and rush outside. When his father bought him new sandals, Chidi would put them on and run away without a word. Even when neighbors gave him mangoes or
very simple as ABC. The next thing you need to do right now after the editing is to go on right now, scroll down and click on this particular section right there to actually save your video. After saving your video, create your YouTube channel, or if you already have a YouTube channel, just go to your YouTube channel and upload your video. And you can see that is exactly the type of video that this particular channel is actually uploading. And this particular channel actually have over 2 million subscribers on their channel right there. And you can see the number of video which they have actually uploaded right there. Let me go on right now and show you the amount which this particular channel actually earns in the last 7 days on their channel right here. Okay, if you come to this particular site right there, which is View Start, according to View Start, Mr. Big's website, you will see that this particular channel has earned revenue of over up to 16,000 USD in the past 7 days on this particular. You can see in the past 7 days they have earned over $16,000 in the past 7 days. And in the past 3 months, let's check the amount this particular channel has earned. This particular channel actually earns over 357,000 USD in the past 3 months by just uploading kid animation video, which you also can also go on right now and try the same thing, and you'll be able to earn even up to this or even more than this if you are consistent in your upload. Kindly tell me your opinion or what you think about this particular video in the comment section of this video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video.